Janet Clare. I've got a line of fabric out with Moda called Hearty Good Wishes, and I sent them some original drawings, some monoprints, to show them my designs, and they accepted them, and I'm here today and I'm going to show you how to monoprint at home. It's great craft, it's very quick, it's very immediate. You get lovely, fresh, naive line quality from it, and your children can do it with you. It's very inexpensive to start. So these are the original designs I did, and I'm going to draw you something like this. I'll do you some gulls. So you will need a mirror. This is one from a charity shop, or it could be a piece of glass. It's something that doesn't scratch and isn't porous, and I found a charity shop mirror to be the best thing. You need a little roller, which has got a fancy name and I can never remember what it's called. Nothing special about that. And some water-soluble block printing ink, which you can buy in any art shop, and it's the sort of thing you do with lino cuts. And then you need a pencil, and my favourite paper comes from Muji. It's very inexpensive. It's like a newsprint, and it's a beautiful off-white colour, and this whole block would be under £1, so you can just play and experiment with it without worrying about cost. Okay, so your first step, you're going to squeeze some monoprinting ink onto your mirror, and then you're going to roll it into a smooth layer, which is about the size of your paper. Now the fun thing with monoprinting is that you're now going to lay your sheet of paper on top of the ink, like so. Now anywhere that I touch the paper, it will pick up the ink. So you're going to try and avoid touching the paper, because you're going to get fingerprints and smudges. Sometimes they add to the design, but often they don't. So then you're going to draw. I'm going to draw you a boat, I think. So you just draw as wonky as you like, little boat, and it will be picking up the ink where I touch it, and you can put as much detail in as you like. I'm going to bring the waves. There you go. I don't think it's going to be shipworthy, seaworthy, but it's a boat. And then you get to peel it up, and you have your design. Obviously, the more time you spend drawing, the nicer the result is. You can see how quickly I did that. But the line's got a nice quality. It's got little dots, and it's uneven as well. And it's much nicer than the pencil sketch that I actually did. So it gives it a really beautiful line quality. And because you can't see exactly what you're drawing, it's sort of fresh and naive, and you do it very quickly, and you get really spontaneous designs.